Looking for the best rust remover that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best rust remover that are available in the market right now, based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Star Bright Rust Remover. This rust stain remover offers a convenient solution for tackling stubborn orange and brown corrosion marks caused by sprinklers, metal hardware, nuts, bolts, and marine fittings. Its advanced formula begins working on contact, making application remarkably simple. Spray the affected area, wipe away the stain, and rinse clean without the exhausting rubbing or scrubbing often required with traditional cleaners. Its versatility is another major advantage, as it can be used around boats, RVs, and homes for a variety of rust-related stains. Despite its powerful cleaning action, the formula is designed to be user-friendly and suitable for surfaces including fiberglass, vinyl, metal, fabric, and painted finishes. This makes it especially practical for maintaining boats and campers where different materials are often exposed to corrosion and water stains. For a more polished finish and longer-lasting surface protection, following up with a premium marine polish makes this a useful two-step maintenance routine. Next up is Rust-Oleum Rust Remover. This heavy-duty rust remover spray gel is an effective solution for restoring iron, steel, and other metal surfaces without the hard scrubbing typically associated with rust removal. Its thick gel consistency clings firmly to vertical and uneven surfaces, allowing the formula to remain active longer and penetrate corrosion more effectively. For light to medium rust, it can dissolve stubborn buildup in as little as 10 to 30 minutes, while heavily corroded areas may benefit from a second application. The simple process is another highlight. Apply the gel, allow it to work, then rinse and wipe away the residue to reveal a cleaner surface ready for painting or refinishing. Its strong adhesion minimizes dripping and helps concentrate the cleaning action exactly where needed. Overall, it provides a practical, time-saving way to transform weathered metal and prepare it for a fresh finish, making it useful for maintenance, restoration, and DIY projects. Coming in at number 3 is Carry Row Rust Remover. This professional rust remover is designed to tackle stubborn corrosion quickly while helping preserve the underlying metal. Its fast-acting formula can show visible results in as little as 1 to 3 minutes and is formulated for use on chrome, steel, iron, and various alloys. One of its biggest advantages is the no-sanding application. Simply spray the affected area, allow the formula to work, and wipe away the loosened rust instead of relying on abrasive scrubbing. The formula also claims to convert remaining rust into a protective coating while helping prevent recurrence for more than 6 months, making it particularly useful for outdoor equipment and humid environments. Its versatile application extends to car parts, tools, grills, bolts, appliances, and plumbing fixtures, while the non-conductive formulation adds practicality around certain electronic components. The precision spray nozzle further helps target corrosion accurately, making this a convenient option for fast restoration and ongoing metal maintenance. Now number 4, Oven Clear Rust Remover. The Oven Clear Rust Remover spray is a practical solution for tackling stubborn rust, oxidation, and corrosion across a wide range of metal surfaces. Its penetrating formula works into rust buildup on iron, steel, chrome, stainless steel, and other components, helping restore smoother surfaces without excessive scrubbing. Beyond appearance, it can improve the performance of rust-affected parts by reducing buildup and friction on tools, hinges, bolts, chains, machinery, and automotive hardware. A protective layer left behind helps limit moisture exposure and slow future oxidation, which is particularly useful for equipment regularly exposed to outdoor conditions. Its versatility makes it suitable for workshops, garages, homes, lawn equipment, fences, grills, motorcycles, trailers, and more. Application is straightforward. Remove loose dirt, shake the bottle, spray the affected area, wait several minutes, then wipe clean and rinse if necessary. The included microfiber towel and scrubbing pad add extra convenience for routine restoration and maintenance. And finally, our last pick is Adams Polish's Rust Remover. Adam's Iron Remover is a useful decontamination solution for removing embedded iron particles that ordinary washing or clay bars may leave behind on a vehicle's finish. Its pH-neutral, acid-free formula is designed to work safely on painted surfaces, including clear coat, single-stage paint, and ceramic-coated finishes. After rinsing the vehicle, simply spray the product onto the paint and watch the iron deposits react and turn purple, making contamination easier to identify and remove. The improved formula is designed to activate quickly while producing a fresher citrus scent than many traditional iron removers, making the cleaning process more pleasant. Its rich orange color also helps with application visibility. While it is versatile for painted wheels and body panels, the instructions recommend avoiding exterior plastic trim and metallic surfaces and minimizing overspray. Overall, it is a convenient choice for removing stubborn bonded iron fallout and preparing the paint for further detailing, polishing, or protection. So those are the top 5 best rust remover you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.